Alright, so here is the Stihl HS45. It's $2.99. The cheapest Stihl Hedge trimmer I believe they have. I've read quite a few mixed reviews about it. Just bought it today at the Acres local John Deere dealer. Right here is your choke. Right here is a primer ball. We'll have a video at the end of me running it. Went out earlier, ran it. Here is where you put the fuel. I did not get an instruction manual with this, so hopefully I can figure everything out on here. It was a pain to start. It took me quite a few pulls to get it started. Here's the switch on off. Here is to hold that trigger down. This little button lock right here. Choke's on, gas is on. I said when I first got it started, they said it started the first pull when they tried it, but I did not watch them. And when I got it home, it took me quite a few times until I got it started. I had to hold down on the trigger for it to get started. So this is the 18-inch hedge trimmer. Nice blade. That probably wasn't too good for it. Nice blade. I had a Robin hedge trimmer over there. After so many years, it just decided not to work anymore. So, yes, let's give this guy a little try quick. You can tell it's a really loud little guy. Took a few times pulling. Definitely not like their weed eaters or blowers. Saw a lot of mixed reviews. This is like a home use, occasional use hedge trimmer. Only 1 horsepower. I believe the tag was like 1 brake horsepower, 1.01, so that's about 1 horsepower. It's about 10 pounds. So, light low guy, heavy on this end, light on this end, kind of like all the hedge trimmers. A little heavier, I believe, than that old Robin, actually. Very sharp blades, also. In the video, you'll see I have some boxwoods that cut and everything. Didn't get instruction manual, but here is the air filter. Oh man, that is hard. I'll have to figure that out. Find the instruction manual online, I guess. It doesn't come with a box or anything. You just buy it and they just kind of hand it to you. They throw oil in it and do a test run. But they don't really go over anything with you. And definitely, I don't know how they got it to start with the first pull. So, nice hand grip. Beautiful hedge trimmer. There's the spark plug. Hopefully it does its job for around here and out at the farm. Small little gas tank. I did buy the can of mixed fuel. It's like a gallon of the Stihl mixed fuel. So it comes with a 4-year warranty instead of the regular 2-year warranty. And they said just bring it in. They have a Stihl shop there where they do all the work on it. So that is the Stihl HS45. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay for the end of this video. It will be in operation and you can definitely watch a video of it operating. Thank you very much and have a wonderful evening.
I don't know what kind of bushes those are. Make it into a sculpture, dude. Make it into a